If you got a second gen Dodge Ram and your rear door isn't opening, I'm going to show you a real easy fix. On the rear passenger latch, it's a T25, take that screw out. I start at the top, pry it, real easy. There's yellow clips, that's the only thing holding the panel on. Phillips head screwdriver for these two screws. Here's our access hole. First off, make sure everything's connected. Grab your latch, wiggle it back and forth, make sure everything's moving, but that bolt in the middle was loose. So check if yours is loose. Get an 8mm socket. Now that it's tight, your door should open and close every time. So guys, that worked for me. I hope it helps you, and maybe it'll save you a little bit of money.